Hello friends, I am Kalai Selvan. Today we are going to see day 4 of the modeling technique. Today we are going to see lofted boss base. Okay, let's enter into the topic. Okay, actually the basic loft is one of the flexible feature in SolidWorks. Okay, to create a component. The basic loft requires two more many closed sketches in different planes, okay, to create a body or part. Okay, so I draw three different sketches in three different plane, actually top plane, another plane, another plane. Okay, I am going to switch on my loft. Okay, then I am going to select what are all the profile I need. Okay, actually all the profile are in center point. Okay, and then I am going to create a loft. Okay, the simple loft is defined such that the base and the top connected with the distance. Okay, the distance is 100 mm, but I can't redefine the corner. Okay, currently the current task. Okay, that's why I created a guide curve to create a perfect corner shape. Okay, so I am going to use the gate curve, and then I am going to again create a loft. Okay, here I am going to select all the sketches, and again I am going to choose the guide curve as this curve. Okay, here did you notice the profile already follows the guide curve. Okay, but I can't control the edges. Depend upon the suitability of model, we can change the corners also. Okay, what are all the suitabilities? We will see this model. Okay, I am going to choose the loft command. So I am going to select this face and this face. Here you see the edges connected in shortest distance. Okay, I can't change the distance. So here I am going to use the constraint to change the corner. Okay, I am going to use tangent. So the tangent value I maintain is 2 mm. Okay, here also I am going to choose tangent mm. I am going to with 1.5. Okay, so please see the edge started with tangentially. Okay, we can change the edge tangency to normal to the profile. The face, the profile will execute with the face, the profile will execute normal to the face, this face. Okay, okay, the another way, without using gate curve, we can connect both the corner. We will see that So without having gate curves, we can connect both the part using center line parameter option. Okay, here I choose this line as my center line. Okay, the center line option provides the way to control how loft, how the two profile need to connect. Okay, here clearly it connect with each other with the proper radius. Okay, remember one thing, the sketch must be placed in must be connect both the edges of the profile. Okay, and the sketch must be drawn in corner to the profile, not in center. Okay, corner to the profile, depend upon the model. I drawn this corner. We can also draw in inside or top or bottom, anywhere. Okay, the next thing I need to going to show you. So this type of sketches, 4 sketches, I am going to create a loft ring. Okay, I am going to choose all the sketches. We can also control the flow of the connection. Okay, we noticed I choose this sketch, and again I am going to close the sketch using this sketch, but it is not closed. So remember to switch on the close loft option in option, then it will close automatically. Okay, suppose if you need to break the profile into n segment, so if you need a 2 segment, means we can break the profile, we can break the sketch into 2 different profile. Let's see the example. Here I have the sketch. I need to break into 3 different parts, means I can split the entities. Okay, like this. I will split the sketch into 3 different sketch. Okay, in a single sketch. Then I will use it as a split loft. Then I will use it into the loft. Okay. Okay, we can split using split entities. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, means kindly WhatsApp me. Okay, bye.